Our Phantom Head course is a 10-day practical course with 2 extra days of or online learning. Topics we discuss include bonded crown preparations, veneers, composites, porcelain inlays, porcelain onlays, bridge preparations, gold restorations, including 3/4 crowns, onlays, etc. Other major thing that we cover is how to prepare to prepare. Now that may sound a bit silly, but most dentists don't get enough work and enough education and training in how you prepare teeth. And I see an awful lot of dentists that prepare just with one hand, mirrors stuck in their other hand. And what we teach is two-handed dentistry, two-handed tooth preparation, where we hold the turbine in 2 hands. We also discuss things such as the use of speed increasing handpiece. We discuss the size and the types of burrs that are essential for good dentistry, how to use your nurse, how to use your mirror. All these things are essential in preparing to prepare for your tooth preparation. At the end of the operative course, that's the Phantom Head course, that leads on to a PG certificate as long as you've completed all your assessments, and if you want to, you can move on to a PG diploma, level 7 accredited.